Hi friends, in this session I would like to explain about assign palette. For that I am taking a process definition. Right click, go to add resources, go to process and select the process definition. I am naming this process definition as assign. Click on apply, open this process. First of all, why we use this assign activity? Okay, as we know there are three types of variables. They are global variables and process variables and shared variables. Again, shared variables are divided into two types: job shared variable and shared variables. Okay, here we use this assign activity, assign palette, to assign the values to a process variables. Okay, where we create process variables. Click on empty area in a design area. Okay, then we will get process variables tab. Okay, here we have to click on add a schema. I am naming this as employee schema. Click on apply. Okay, this schema has variables like three variables: employee name, employee number, employee location. Okay, click on apply. These process variables are like local variables to a process. We can assume like these are local variables to a class in a Java, local variables in a function. So these variables are only for this process. Okay, we can use this as an activity to manipulate these process variables. Okay, now I am taking assign activity. Right click, go to general activities, select assign. Okay, here select this assign, see the configuration, see the input. As of now it is not showing any configuration, any input configuration, because we have not selected which variable to be assigned. Okay, here in the drop down we can get all the process variables. As of now I have selected, I have created only employee, so select this employee, click on apply. Now observe the input. Here we got three mandatory parameters: employee name, employee number, employee name, and employee location. Okay, now let's give a sample. Employee number 1, employee name A, and employee location is India. Click on apply, save this project. Okay, run it. Okay, observe the input data. This is assigned these values to a process variables. Okay, now where we use already assigned process variables, we can use these process variables to the all further activities after assign. For example, if you want to write these assigned values to a file, you can write like, okay, I'm giving the location of the file. It is in the drive under file folder 1234.txt. Click on apply. See, observe in the process data section we got this employee schema to map these values to the further activities. We can give this employee number, employee name, employee location to our text content. For example, now I'm giving employee number. Not only to the, we can get this employee schema and we can use this employee schema to all the next further activities. And one more point we have to observe is it is assigning all the values in a schema. For example, as of now we have given 1A India. If you want to do any changes to these process variables, we have to use one more assign pallet. Now let's consider I want to change the location of employee. Now I'm using one more assign activity. Okay. Now I'm selecting employee, click on apply. So our requirement is we have to change only location. If you give only location here, whatever, it will give an error. If you don't map these values at real time, these values will be nullified. Okay. So we have to get these employee numbers again from employee to employee. This is also employee, this is also employee. So we are mapping these process variables again to the process variables to avoid nullify. Okay, I am mapping employee number to employee, employee name to employee. I am giving employee location as a new value because we want to change this employee location. Click on apply. Then only we can map the new values to the process variables. Otherwise, these values will be nullified. Now observe, this is assigned these three values, this is assigned these three values. And we are able to write the data into a file. The job is completed. So by using this assign value, we can assign the values to a process variables. Now I'm creating one more variable. This is a variable 1. Click on apply. As of now, I'm not giving any sub variables in this schema. Consider this. Okay, let's go to this drop down. See, we got variable 1. Like, as many as the variables we defined, we will get all these variables list in drop down of assign activity. Okay, that's all with assign activity. Thank you for watching. Please visit mytibco.com for more important videos and interview questions. Thank you.